Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a beginner or just need a new email, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com. Here, click on Create Account and choose for myself or for my business, depending on your needs. Now, enter your first and last name. Then enter your date of birth. Next, choose a unique username, which will be your Gmail address. If your preferred username is taken, try adding numbers or a variation. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Re-enter the password to confirm. Then click Next. Google will ask for your phone number to verify your identity and secure your account. Enter your number and click Next. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter the code and click Verify. Enter your recovery email or you can skip it. Now your whole email info is on your screen. Carefully read Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Once you're done, click I agree to continue. Congratulations! Your Gmail account is now ready to use. You can now send and receive emails, access Google Drive, and use other Google services. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.